Hi everybody, I am FGSL and I will show you how to use ToInt filter of Laminas framework. First of all, I will download Laminas filter using composer require laminas/laminas-filter. This command will download Laminas filter from packages repository. Since you have Laminas filter installed in your machine, you can use. I will create a file named ToInt test.php. I will start this file with PHP open tag. I will import composer autoloading file in vendor autoload.php. I will create a variable filter. Variable filter is equal to new ToInt. ToInt is the filter class of Laminas framework that allows to convert a scalar value in an integer value. The namespace for this class is Laminas /filter/ToInt. Well, now I will print the output of filter method of this object. I will pass as argument a string value that contains an integer value. For example, Fantastic 4 has 4 members. Well, the phrase is a string value, and I am passing this value to filter method of ToInt instance. Well, I will save this file. I will clear the screen of terminal, and I will run the file tointtest.php. Look at this. The result at the left is 0. Why? This occurs because the value, the integer value, is inside the string. But if I put the number at the beginning, 4 is the number of members of Fantastic 4, and I will save this file and run again the scripting. Now you can see at the left that the result is 4. Then, if you have a string which starts with an integer value, this filter will deliver this number as an integer value. But if the value is after the beginning, you will receive 0 as a result. And the integer value can be negative. For example, minus 10 is a cold temperature. Of course, it depends on your temperature scale. Well, I will save this file. I will run again php ToInt test.pp, and look at this. I have as result -10. If you want to know if the value is really an integer, I can capture the output for a variable named result. I can use var_dump function to print not only the value but also the type of this variable. I will save this file now, and I will run again, and look at this. The output confirms that the result is an integer, -10. Well, this is the ToInt filter class of Laminas framework. If you have any question about this component, you can write your questions in the comments. Thank you very much for watching this video.